Y'all thought I was about to log back on here and bring y'all a full plate saying I was full, huh? You thought. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I do not play like that. Back up! Back up! Get over here trying to eat my food, y'all. Yeah, no. I wish you. I eat, baby. No. Y'all thought I was about to lie back on here. I'm just saying. Bye. I eat. So if you hungry, eat. Just eat the right stuff. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing as good as I am today. Today I want to welcome you guys into my kitchen. This is where we'll be making all the magic happen. And today I have a Caribbean jerk salmon meal for you guys that I like to do. You don't necessarily have to use salmon or seafood in general, but you can use the concept behind it, and you can learn from this video. The whole point is to learn how to make your plates, right? But I always start off by washing my meat, of course, and then preheating whatever I'm going to be cooking on. Today I'm using my Foodie. I like it because it's really easy and quick. Y'all will definitely see how quick it is. This whole thing took to cook the salmon under 10 minutes, so I love it. You don't have to necessarily exact same seasonings I use. You can use whatever normal seasonings that you use in your daily seasonings. And then also season to your liking. I don't really use measurements, so sorry. The whole point was to show you guys exactly how and what to eat and what that looks like. So you can see where I have 1 grains, 1 meat, and 2 vegetables. And then if you get hungry, if you're still hungry after this or whatever, you have your snacks to still eat. So you can eat your fruits, you can eat popcorn. Popcorn is a great snack that I love to eat. You get a lot out of popcorn for low calories. Just look on the back of it one time and then you'll see what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, but enjoy. Something that I did want to mention, all of this stuff was not expensive. I got the vegetables. You can go and get that from Kroger, like $1, maybe $1.50. And then your fish, you can get like the pack of fish for like $6, definitely under $10. So all of this was like under $20 meal for sure. Y'all, I am so hungry. This gotta happen right now. Y'all see my salt and vinegar chips? This gotta happen right now. I'm in the kitchen, whipping up right now. Obviously, right? Besides taking too long. I'm too hungry. Yep. I'm doing it. And still losing weight. Y'all thought I was about to log back on here and bring y'all a full plate saying I was full, huh? You thought. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I do not play like that. Back up! Back up! Get over here trying to eat my food, y'all. Yeah, no. I wish you. I eat, baby. No. Y'all thought I was about to lie back on here. I'm just saying. Bye. I eat. So if you hungry, eat. Just eat the right stuff. And I'm drinking a beer. I ain't even playing with y'all right now. Like, I don't be playing. I really be serious when I tell you I eat. So I'm about to go feed this dog. While y'all go enjoy y'all life. Love y'all.